Hi guys, today I want to show you the camera Canon DBL 2000. I bought it in Amazon. So now here for the camera. It's come with the 2880 zoom rear here. You can see it. And the Canon EOS Repair 2000 has an affordable lightweight and full feature automatic 35 mm SLR for both for the beginner and for advanced amateur photographer, and it's offer a hot special model for specific shooting situation. Includes here for auto, and you can see here for auto, full auto, manual, nice screen, portraits, landscapes, and more. Here, and it's easy for choosing here auto. Here on. It also have a shooter speak priority inhibitor priority mode. Also mode up user will eventually release the camera in full auto mode, and majority of the time and the camera perform very well. That's why just remember that's the empty symbol on the dual auto. So it's very easy, and it's easy for the people who are for a beginner and advanced with the camera film here. And here you can see inside, and this camera is very so nice. I think it's really nice. It just has a little bit crest here, a small crest here. You can see crest here, a little bit, but I think that is very good one for people who love 35 mm film, and it's very easy. You put it here for the battery, and you can use CR2 3 volt here for the camera. You can see here. I think this is and it's easy for you to open, change your lens. It's come together with the Canon lens 2880, and it's easy for you to change this. And this camera is very nice. I think it's really nice. Okay, you can see here what happened in it. You have here Repair 2000 EOS here. Repair. You can see. You can look here. Okay, I think it's a so nice camera for people who are the new one. And here they have the CD, and they have function here, and I think this is popular camera for the film camera for people who are in this. And I think it's good. It is one of a good one to use it. And here this come from Canon and it's made in Taiwan. And it also has almost the basic thing for you to put in this here, for open, to put a film here, put a film here. Yeah, it's nice. It is one of the basic camera. Yeah, I think it's basic camera, full automatics, AF with retractable built-in, small and lighter than ever before, with faster AF. Yes, faster here. We have AF and MF too. And high speed. Okay. And here the I think that the feature and detail you can see it in a website or in Amazon, eBay, or some camera shop online. But it's easy for the new people who are using to take the photo from camera film. This is a film camera, and it's autofocus with full manual. It have full manual, and they have to come with the lens, and you have the retractable built-in flash there for a flash built-in here. They have the flash here. If you put here, you have the battery. You can put it here, and we have 7-point autofocus system, 35 ions expose sensor. Okay, so it looks very nice. I love it. I love this one. Okay, so thank you so much for your watching this video. I want to show you the Canon camera EOS Rebel 2000, and it fits with the new people who want to take the camera film, or people who have advanced to here on or your training. Okay, so thank you so much for your watching this video. See you in next video. Thank you so much.